Did you know you can grow fresh tomatoes from seeds right on your balcony? Let me show you how, step by step. All you need are tomato seeds, pots with drainage holes, good quality soil, water, and a sunny spot on your balcony. Fill your pot with loose, well-draining soil. Leave some space at the top so watering is easy. Place 2 or 3 tomato seeds on the soil, then cover them lightly. Do not plant them too deep. Water gently to keep the soil moist, not wet. A spray bottle works best. Place the pot where it gets at least 6 hours of sunlight every day. Keep the soil moist and be patient. In about 1 week, you'll see tiny tomato seedlings growing. Keep the strongest one and remove the others. With proper care, your tomato plant will grow strong and reward you with fresh tomatoes right from your balcony. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Green Touch for more easy gardening tips. Happy planting!